This video will give a demonstration of the Zoom Companion Whiteboard feature, which has recently been made available for our Neat devices with version 5.10.7 of the Zoom Rooms app. So available with our Neat Bar Pro, and Neat Board. What you can see here is a standard Zoom room. It's running with our Neat Bar, a front of room display, and a Neat Pad. And the Neat Pad has a list of meetings coming up. I've got one here called Companion Whiteboard Demo with the start button because it has Zoom meeting information in the meeting invite. And the 65-inch Neat board here is not signed in, but it's running the native Zoom Rooms app. So it's super easy to bring this Neat board into an existing Zoom room, sign it into the same Zoom room account, and set it up with Companion Whiteboard so you can add whiteboarding functionality to an existing Zoom room. It doesn't consume another license, so you're only using the single license for this room here called Neat SID Demo, and I'll show you how to get signed in. So you just tap sign in there on the board. It shows you a code over here on the laptop. You go to zoom.us/pair and enter 47D-GPK. Continue. Oh, sorry, and then in here, I type in the name of the room that I want to sign into. Start typing and Zoom will find it for me. There it is. Click done. I have to be a Zoom room admin to be able to do that. Over here on the board, it's verifying that it is me trying to sign in. Yes, it's me. And now I'll be presented on the board with two options. What do you want to use this device for? Zoom Rooms or Companion Whiteboard? If I was to tap Zoom Rooms, it would actually sign into that Zoom Room account, and in doing so, sign out the Neat bar. So we don't want that to happen. We want to tap Companion Whiteboard. So this will sign in my Neat board to that existing Zoom room and pair it to my Neat bar as a companion whiteboard. So adding whiteboard functionality, super easy way to get set up. If you have a Neat board on a trolley with the caster wheels like I do, you can take it from room to room as needed. So that's all set up. I'll tap on close down the bottom here, clear and sleep, and it just returns to the same background wallpaper that we have set up for this Zoom room. I'll show you now how to actually use the whiteboard in a Zoom meeting. On the Neat pad here, I'll just tap on the start button for this meeting. So I'm going to get my Neat bar to join my Companion Whiteboard demo meeting. There we go, and the Neat board automatically fires up the whiteboard, assuming that you want to start doing some whiteboarding. So it just says tap to whiteboard. Sharing option, all participants can edit or view. Let's just go edit, that sounds good to me. And now that whiteboard is being shared into the meeting, and I'll show you what that means by joining the meeting on my laptop as well. So this, let's pretend I'm somewhere else, a remote participant joining this same Zoom meeting. It's in my calendar here on my laptop. Let's click start. I won't join any audio. And there we go. So because that Zoom room and the companion whiteboard is sharing a whiteboard into the Zoom meeting, that's the first thing I see when I join the meeting. So I can collaborate from my laptop, and then obviously they will show up here on the board. Let's choose a different color, choose a different thickness. And on my laptop, you'll see that pop up as well. You can add shapes or text or sticky notes. Yeah, so a few different functions there. You can't see it, it's hidden, but there's a stop share button. I'm just going to tap that. So I've stopped sharing, but the whiteboard stays there, and I get a message saying the whiteboard has stopped sharing. On my laptop, you can see that the sharing has stopped. I'm going to start sharing again. Continue with edit. And we're back into sharing the whiteboard. Or on the Neat pad here, it says we're sharing content. I can stop sharing from the Neat pad as well. Back here on my Neat board, I can click on close, clear and sleep. And the meeting continues, and my Neat board just stays idle, waiting for the next whiteboard session. That's it. That's as easy as it is to use the Zoom Companion Whiteboard feature with our Neat devices and a 65-inch Neat board.